safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.
Offshore waters forecast for high